So let me zoom out the working area a bit. So here the student who are getting, whose marks are greater than or equal to 35, they will be, then their data will be showing as pass, and if it is not the case, then the data will be fail. So traditionally what we do is that we can use the if function in this way, that equal to if, and then we will be selecting this particular cell, and if it is greater than or equal to 35, if this is the case, then we will be writing pass, and if it is not the case, we will be writing fail, and I'll be closing the braces and press enter, and then in the lower right corner we'll be double clicking to populate the data. So this is the traditional way in which you are using if function to populate some data based on some criteria. But there is another way which I am going to show you using a query. So this query works in this way. So we'll be selecting the whole of this number, and we'll be copying it to this grade section, copying the same data. After that, we'll be pressing Ctrl Shift down to select the range of cells, and then we will be pressing Ctrl 1. From there, we'll be moving to custom, and in the custom, we'll be giving the criteria. So my criteria is within square braces, within square braces. So there are braces, curly braces, and this is the square brace. Yeah. So within square brace, that is the third bracket, we'll be writing greater than or equal to, this is the condition 35. So if this condition satisfied, what it will be showing? It will be showing pass, and if it is not the criteria, then we'll be giving a semicolon, and we'll be writing fail, and we'll be pressing simply enter. See, it's being populated. So let me open up Notepad and summarize what I did just now. So in traditional way, what we do is that we write if and then the condition, and based on that condition, what we do is that either pass or we do either fail. So here we will be doing inside a number format, custom number format. So inside custom number format, what we will be doing is that we will be selecting the whole of the cell, and we will be simply giving the condition. Here is the condition, and if it is true, so the value to show if true, this is the first one, followed by a semicolon, and then if false. So this is how I did it. So let me show you one more time. Let me delete whole of this data. Okay, fine. So let me delete, okay, so let me select all of this data and press delete from my keyboard. So we need to control this, all of this data. We need to copy this to the adjacent cell, that is the grade 1. Okay, it's been copied. Now we'll be pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow, then we'll be pressing Ctrl 1 from keyboard. Then we'll be going to custom, and then in here we'll be giving the condition greater than or equal to 35. If that is the case, we will be writing pass, and if it is not the case, we will be writing fail, and simply press enter or OK. And this is how pass and fail can be generated without using if function. So that's all for this video. I hope you have liked it, and practice it on your own, since practice makes somebody, I mean practice makes you perfect. So practice on it on your own. So the formula which I have written in my notepad, there is a small error. The if function should start with an equal to sign, and this is the condition, okay, custom number format, and this is how it works. Practice along with me to get hold of what I'm trying to say. Thanking you all. Happy coding.